One of my friends is playing cricket. One of my friend is playing cricket. Which one is correct? One of my friend is playing cricket. One of my friends is playing cricket. Confusion. Little difficulty to understand now that which one will be the correct sentence. So yeah, these are the difficulties students fight when they want to speak English and then when they want to understand the phrase one of my or else one of. So watch this video from beginning till end. Today your all doubts are going to be clarified. Hi everyone, in this video I am going to be teaching you the phrase one of. And it's very important because most of the time we have been seeing that students, the English speaker, are making mistakes while using this phrase one of. They are not sure whether this will be the one of my friends or one of my friends. Okay, now the use of phrase one of and then something, noun and pronoun. First of all, you need to make sure that the phrase one of is used before noun and pronoun. We use this phrase one of before noun and pronoun. And then when this phrase is used, so this phrase is in singular form. We need to make sure that this phrase is in singular form. Okay, phrase one of. Now, one of my friends. Okay, so in this phrase you can see one of my friends is going to Delhi this evening. So we need to make sure that whenever we use one of is always known as a singular. The phrase one of is always known as a singular, and then so this is referred to use out of, like one of my friends. That means out of my many friends, one friend is going to Delhi this evening. Okay, so one of my friends is going to Delhi this evening. What we need to make sure? We need to make sure that wherever we use the phrase one of, it talks always about singular, not plural. And then after that we use noun or pronoun in plural form. Noun and pronoun, they are used in plural form because we are talking about one out of many, and that is the reason we are not habitual. Sometimes most of the students and most of the English speakers, they are not habitual of speaking it something like this. So they always think it is one of, and then after that, instead of using their singular form, auxiliary form using as a singular, so they use it in plural form, and that is incorrect sentence. Okay, so we need to make sure that one of is known as a singular, and then we use it with plural noun or pronoun. It talks about singular sense, not as a plural. And after that, all the auxiliary verbs will be used in singular form. Now, how to practice it? According to grammar also, I want you to understand this sentence. Like for example, one of is known one of the phrases, and then after that, friends, known as a common noun in plural sense, is known as a helping verb, going known as a main verb, ing form, to known as a preposition, Delhi known as a proper noun, this known as a demonstrative pronoun. Evening is known as a adverb of time. Today, morning, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, evening. Okay, so, and then let us practice it. Now practice this phrase with all tenses. For example, one of my friends writes a good story. Fine, I am using it in present indefinite sense. And then after that, One of my friends did not go to Delhi. One of my friends did not call me. And one of my friends will go to Australia next year. And then one of my friends was fighting. And one of my friends was shouting yesterday. One of my friends was driving a car. One of my friends has finished his writing. And this can be used with passive form, and then passive form is always followed with third form of verb. Third form of verb and then plus helping verb. Okay. One of my books was missing yesterday. I didn't see that. One of my students will be getting 100 marks this time. I'm confident because he studied well. So, dear English learner, make sure that whenever you use this phrase, one of, you practice it a lot, making sure that it will be used in singular form. It only can be improved by practicing. Like, one of my friends is writing a letter. One of my sisters is going to NASA. One of your friends was calling me yesterday. One of your friends. Now I am using here your personal pronoun. One of your friends was calling me yesterday. I could not pick his call. So make sure that you use this phrase very correctly and then keep on practicing. This will be improved only by practicing. Never ever get confused that there will be one of my friend or one of my friends, because it talks about singular out of many. That is the reason after that we use auxiliary verb in singular sense. And then noun and pronoun after this phrase is always used in plural sense because it talks out of one. So hope that you have got something out of this video, and then if you are new to this channel, so consider subscribing and hit the notification bell to be the first one to know when we upload new videos. Thanks a lot.